collecting data with the UAV drone today, so I'm going to go over the process. Main objective of collecting data with this drone is to analyze and kind of monitor plant health through NDVI indexes, which is a normalized difference vegetation index. And we have our 3DR solo drone here today, which has a 5-band multispectral camera. It takes pictures in red, blue, green, near infrared, and red edge bands. Be able to stitch all these images together and create a NDVI index, which gives us an indication of plant health out here in this site, which is Pasture 9. First step in the process, we have to go lay out our ground control points, which are points that have been previously GPSed, very high accuracy GPS unit. They've been differentially corrected, so they're down to sub-centimeter, a few decimals before you get to the first number in accuracy. And the purpose of these is you could take a look at them. You could see them from the aerial imagery, and we know to a very high degree of accuracy where this position is in the real world. So our models will be very, very accurate when we have the final output. So we're going to go ahead and lay some of these out. So the first step in creating a accurate product that we can use for analysis from drone imagery is to set ground control points, which these are just targets, and their main objective is for them to show up in photographs where I could see them and mark their location. It's kind of an override process where you substitute the drone's lat and long measurements with ones I have previously taken with a very accurate GPS unit. Okay, so we have our ground control points in place. We've taken a reference image of for our reflectance calibration of the panel. We loaded the waypoints in the specified altitude and overlap that the drone is going to fly, so we're pretty much ready to go. So I'm going to lift the drone manually, and I'm going to make sure the camera is working. I have to make sure that there's a green flash. I don't see it until I'm in the bottom of the camera, just to make sure the camera is working properly and taking pictures, and it has a good GPS lock, and then we'll pretty much hit the auto button and the drone will do the rest. So here we go.